Collaboration and team management. We start this with creating and managing teams in Trello. So for this, let us first understand why use teams in Trello. Teams using Trello report a 25% improvement in task tracking and completion. So it helps or it assists or it is useful for centralized collaboration. Teams can access shared boards for easy coordination. Everyone stays updated on tasks and project progress because of enhanced visibility, and then there is improved efficiency for sure. Shared workflows reduce duplication and ensures accountability. Now, how to create a team? Let's go back to our Trello board. That's how our Trello looks like. What we do is from our dashboard, we click on create a workspace button. These are the many workspaces. I click on create. I need to create a board or workspace. I want to create a workspace. This is the Trello workspace. So within the Trello workspace, I think I can create a new workspace. Your workspace is Trello workspace. No. Okay, here it is, create a workspace. I click on create a workspace. So as suggested, marketing team. So which is not needed. Actually, you can simply create different boards within a workspace. So let's say there could be a company-wise workspace, so different objectives. So let's create a marketing team workspace. Choose the type. Okay, so here is the workspace type. It's for marketing. Our team organizes marketing team organizes everything here. Okay, continue. I can invite the team members. How? By giving their email addresses or inviting them with a link. So I can just copy the link and share it with them on Slack or where I want. Or I can also choose to do this later. So once done, I have my workspace created called marketing team. Once I create a workspace, I can invite team members like I discussed. Okay, I'll come back to, let's invite workspace members. Let's say abcd@gmail1.com, and let's see what happens. So an invite, the invite is sent. Now I can now also choose to manage my team members. How do I do that? Now, because I do not have anybody on my team, this workspace is private right now. The moment somebody accepts the invitation, this would turn from private to public. Okay, I'll come back to this later. Let's continue on. Then what you can do is, once the workspace is created, you can create multiple boards. Now create new boards, name the board assigned to the team, and structure the task like we just did in the couple of previous videos. Here are some of the suggested boards for marketing teams. Get going faster with a template from the Trello community, or choose a category. So I have chosen marketing. So when I chose marketing, I got go-to-market strategy template, editorial calendar, project management, and marketing overview. These are some of the templates that Trello suggests. Here is an entire list. So some marketing templates, speaker guide for online events, marketing content catalog, marketing overview. This is by Trello, this is by Unito, this is by SpotMe. So these are different templates that's available. SEO content creation, websites task planner, inbound marketing campaign template, and so many templates here. Similarly, you have templates for HR and operations, onboarding process, job hunting, well-being discussion template, remote work, project management, product management, productivity. So you get all the different templates here. So you can either choose to use one of these, or you can simply go here and create a new board from scratch. You name the board, you assign it to the team, and you structure the task the way you want it to be. Once done, manage members and permissions. Let's go back to settings of the board. That's the board here, marketing team, members. Here it is. So like you see, here is the admin, Savan Kumar, that's myself. Accepted, I could have changed the permissions if I have a premium account, or I can also go back to settings and I can manage the workspace here. So from workspace settings, from being private to public. Link your Slack and Trello workspaces together to collaborate on Trello projects from within Slack, so I can add to Slack without having to use any third-party integration tools. It's asking me to upgrade for these things if I want to do at all. And that's how you can take care of the settings and manage members and permissions. Advanced team features, power-ups, integrations, and team templates. Add tools like calendar view or time tracking to improve project management. Connect Trello to apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Dropbox for seamless workplace. So let's go back to the workspace marketing team. Okay, so I think we can also update the logo and all of that. Let's come back. Choose one of the marketing templates. Use the template. Okay, keep the cards. I'm using one of the templates. Create, and here it is. Speaker guide for online events, your presentation, prepare a poll, prepare for Q&A, share additional documents with the organizer, introduce yourself, invite your network to join your talk, find your stream, and so many of these tasks. Now what it's talking about is power ups. So I click on this card, the three dots here, and the power ups are here. So these are a lot of power ups. Some made by Trello, some made by different third parties. You can add these power ups to your Trello board. So like let's go to made by Trello and look at the ones that are mostly used. So Confluence Cloud is used a lot. Evernote is used. MailChimp is used. List limits is used a lot. This is what I see from the numbers that I have here. Slack is used a lot. Voting is used a lot. So let's add votings. I added it. Now I go to settings, edit power up settings. Who is allowed to vote on cards? Members, workspace members. Should vote counts be visible? Yes or a no? So that's how you add a power up and manage the same. Team members can use shared boards to stay aligned and updated. The structure ensures seamless collaboration across departments. So like there are different boards for product launch team, development board, marketing board, and customer support board. Now team members can use shared boards to stay aligned and be updated. But the bigger question now is why manage teams in Trello? Well, teams using Trello workspaces report a 20% reduction in project delays. All tasks and projects in one shared workspace. Building tools like comments and notifications reduce the need for external apps, and real-time updates ensure everyone is on the same page. And to conclude, some of the key takeaways: mastering teams in Trello ensures smooth collaboration and improved project outcomes. Should you have any questions until now, feel free to ask me in the Q&A section, or join me in the Facebook community, the LinkedIn community, or in the school community. I'll be waiting to see you there. Until then, have a great and a wonderful day. Tata, bye-bye.